Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn about the code formula. The code formula returns the ANSI code of anything that you type in Excel. Like the code for a capital I is 73, for a capital M is 77, for capital B 66, and so on and so forth. The hash symbol has the code of 35. So this is how you can get the these are the codes. Now if you write a letter, a, a word which is more than one letter like this one, it will return the code for the first letter of this word. Now the code for small letters in small lower cases and letter in upper cases is different. See over here, B is in uppercase, the code is 66. But now we will learn how to use the code formula and see what will be the code for small b. B in lowercase is equal to CODE code, returns the numeric code for the first character in a text string in the character set used by a computer, which is the ANSI code. Alright, so open the brackets and select the text, close the bracket, that's it. See, now the code for B in lowercase is 98, and the same for B in uppercase is 66. So over here, I example wherein I have written in great, GREAT, and the exclamation mark, and here are the codes for this. So this is how you use the code formula. See you in the next video.